In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up payment methods in your Wix store, ensuring your customers have a smooth and secure checkout experience. Setting up your payment options correctly is crucial as it can significantly affect your sales and customer satisfaction. Let's dive into the process seamlessly so you can get your storefront up and running in no time. We'll begin by accessing the Wix dashboard, which is the control center of your website. The dashboard is where you manage all aspects of your online presence, from tracking analytics to managing content. Once there, locate the side menu. You'll find it filled with options for customizing and optimizing your site. Within this menu, look for the section labeled Store. This area is specifically designed for managing all aspects of your e-commerce setup. It includes tools for product management, orders, and more. Clicking on Store will bring up various options, and you should select Payments from the submenu. This section is dedicated to managing how your store processes transactions. Payments are an integral part of e-commerce, as they not only ensure the inflow of money, but also build trust with your customers. Ensuring that these payments are secure and convenient is vital. Once in the Payments section, you will see a list of different payment methods. These may range from credit and debit cards to online wallet services depending on your location and Wix's partnership availability. It's important to provide multiple payment options to cater to different customer preferences, increasing the likelihood of purchase completion. To enable a payment method, simply switch on the toggle next to your preferred option. This might include popular methods like PayPal or Stripe. Offering a variety of payment choices can enhance the user's trust and comfort level, ensuring they can use their preferred service when buying from you. After enabling your preferred payment methods, ensure all configurations for each method are completed. This might involve linking your accounts or entering relevant API keys. Each platform will guide you through its particular setup, but if at any point you're uncertain, Wix offers helpful resources and support channels. A properly configured store is critical to preventing issues during checkout. With your preferred payment methods enabled and configured, don't forget to scroll down and click on the Save button. This final step solidifies your payment settings, ensuring everything is correctly in place. It's crucial not to overlook saving, as changes won't take effect without this confirmation. And there you have it. You've successfully set up payment methods for your Wix store. By offering secure and various payment options, you're setting your business up for success, ensuring customers feel confident and satisfied in their shopping experience. Thanks for following along, and if this was helpful, be sure to check out more of our tutorials for other great tips on optimizing your digital